find some apples here.
Oh, hello.
Want some food?
Coming on. Okay, wait there. No, don't go away yet. Come back.
Carrots,
Oh.
we got cabbage and we got apples.
Okay.
Don't have to give them all.
No, why
Oh,
not?
we can eat the apples ourselves. Can't
They
we?
have 4 though. They are family. Okay, you guys. Now, wait. Oi. You're the big boy. Come on. Little one.
There you go.
Come on, little one. Oh, and he come. Oh,
There you go.
thank you. Okay, this is surprise. Where you buy carrot and cabbage?
Fell
When?
off yesterday before I picked you up. Want some more?
Oh,
Oh. You haven't had any yet, have you?
no, the little one, Alan.
This one.
Yep.
Oh, are you taking them away?
Yep.
Look, I'll tell you what, I'll give you some here then.
No, he's still eating. Give it to him.
Oh, come on.
Okay,
We'll have to do it at the same time,
yes.
two of us. There's one for you. Then he can't.
Come on. Uh-huh.
Oh, there's another one coming now.
No, enough. You're still eating. You guys. Yay, well done.
Nice.
Oh, they're fighting. Oops.
You've had enough. Come on.
Okay, stop video and feed you.